The Transient cut is a very commercial mid-length look that is based on softness and versatility. After shampooing and conditioning, the diagonal parting is taken at the front from the recession area back to the crown. The central vertical parting is taken from the crown down to the nape. Starting in the nape area, two slightly diagonal forward sections are taken from the centre out to each ear. With the head in an upright, natural position, the length is determined in the middle, coming to a lateral fall, elevating at one finger's depth, and point cutting up into the hair to create softness in the line. This line is cut squarely out at both sides at the back. Section by section, working up the back of the head, the hair is combed down to its natural fall and point cut into the baseline. Diagonal back parting is taken at the side, from the side parting down into the back. Working with the area in front of the ear, this section is combed down to its natural fall, and a horizontal line point cut forward using the jaw and lip as a guide to length. The sideline and the corner in the baseline at the back are then blended together by point cutting between the two. Layering is started by using a central vertical section at the back of the crown down to the nape. The top part of this section is directed back to maintain length through the top area, and the line is curved by point cutting. Working down this central section, combing at 90 degrees, the line is point cut and curved into the baseline to eliminate weight. Using the crown as a pivot, pie-shaped sections are worked around the back to the ear. Each section is combed out at 90 degrees, and the layering line curved into the base by point cutting. Working forward in front of the ear, this area is directed back to the layering guideline behind the ear. This maintains a corner of weight in the front area. Moving to the other side of the head, the diagonal back section is taken from the side parting down into the back area. The hair in front of the ear is combed down to its natural fall, and a horizontal line, point cut, to balance with the other side. The sideline and the corner in the baseline at the back are again blended by point cutting between the two. Exactly the same sectioning pattern is used to layer this side of the head. The hair is now personalised, while allowing the hair to dry naturally while cutting. Working around the head, at the top of the layering weight line, the hair is picked up section by section with the comb, and the scissors are used to cut down into the ends. Cut is visually worked to the individual hair type and texture, which is evident as the cut dries. TG spray shine is then applied with the hands to create texture and separation in the finished look. Let's have a look at the key points again. Perimeter. Our lines and sections move from a diagonal forward in the back to a diagonal back through the sides. Our distribution is at a natural fall. Our elevation is 1 finger's depth. And we're point cutting our line. Layers. Our lines and sections move from pie-shaped into horizontal. Our distribution moves from 90 degrees to over-directed. Our elevation is 90 degrees with the guideline to over-directed. And we're point cutting our line for texture.